Tired of chasing down your team for accurate timesheets and struggling to get a clear picture of where your project time is actually going? This video is your express guide to onboarding your team onto Clockify, ensuring consistent time tracking, accurate project data, and streamlined billing. First, have each team member create their individual Clockify accounts via the Clockify website or dedicated app. Make sure they use a company email. Once everyone is set up, show them how to start tracking time. Click the big green timer button to start and stop the time, then select the relevant project from the drop-down menu. If they cannot see a project, make sure they have been assigned to it. Next, assign a specific task to the timer by selecting from the task drop-down. If the specific task isn't available, create a new one for the relevant project. As a team leader, ensure each team member is assigned to the correct projects. Within Clockify, simply navigate to the projects page. Select the relevant project and add team members using their email addresses or names. This will help ensure everyone is tracking time against the correct project. Now, let's talk reports. Show your team how to access their individual time reports to review their tracked hours. These reports provide a breakdown of their time spent on different projects and tasks and are essential for accurately submitting hours. Encourage consistent Clockify usage by setting clear expectations for daily time tracking and regularly reviewing reports to identify potential discrepancies or areas where teams might need additional training and clarification. By implementing these simple steps, you'll empower your team to embrace Clockify, leading to more accurate project management, improved billing, and a clearer understanding of how your team's valuable time is spent.